Hey guys, Nat here at Shoes of Hollywood. We're sitting outside to get some nice scenery happening today. We have an unboxing for you. This one is a Moon-728 and it's a black and white heel. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. Ooh, alright. Check that out. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. It's sort of like a tuxedo. Gorgeous. Have a look at the other one. Cool. Check it out. This is really pretty. Wow, yeah, it's gorgeous. It's got this lovely little opening here, so it's not like a normal shoe. Hi. It's a bit unique, which is really nice when you have unique heels. This bow on top is absolutely adorable. It is so pretty, gorgeous, and check out this heel strap. It's like a full-on wraparound, very gorgeous. This shoe would be great to dress up pretty much anything. You could wear a pantsuit and these shoes would just dress it over the top. It would be stunning. They've got this amazing sole in them. They're so soft, they're so comfortable. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, you should try them on. There we go. Okay, so the way this strap works is your little buckle will go behind your ankle, just in case, because I know some people get really confused with these. This one also goes behind your ankle and it will come back in front, just like that. There we go, gorgeous. They've got the little bit of elastic. I love these shoes. Most of them will have this elastic right behind the buckle as well, so you can have them really nice and fitted. Alright. Cool. I feel real fancy in these. Very fancy. Do remember, if you are using stairs while you're dressed in your heels, make sure you hold the railing with both hands, because the last thing you want is when you're dressed to the nines to fall down and wreck your night. that was these beautiful Moon-728 in black and white. Very, very pretty. There we go. If you liked our video, please hit subscribe and hit the bell as well for notifications, and you'll be informed every time we upload a new review. If you like these shoes, tell us in the comments, tell us what you think of them, and if you think you would buy them or not as well. I hope you enjoy. We'll see you next time. Bye!